You've just shipped a successful release, the dopamine hits, and then a senior PM slides over. Great win. What new skill are you picking up next quarter? In product management, the half-life of expertise is short. Today's best practice is tomorrow's baseline. To stay sharp, we treat learning as an infinite sprint. First, we'll explore formal certifications that signal mastery, and now we'll talk about which ones actually move the needle. The most common starting badge is the Certified Scrum Product Owner, CSPO. 2 intense days with a Scrum Alliance trainer, a scenario-heavy exam, and you walk away fluent in backlog etiquette, sprint cadences, and stakeholder wrangling. Recruiters love it because it proves you can speak agile without translation charts. For broader, soup-to-nuts rigor, there's the AIPMM Certified Product Manager, CPM. Think of it as a mini MBA in product. Market sizing spreadsheets, pricing strategy drills, go-to-market checklists, and a proctored exam that covers every lifecycle phase. Digital-first PMs often pair it with AIPMM's Certified Digital Product Manager, CDPM, which layers in lean discovery, design thinking sprints, and jobs to be done interviews. Perfect if your backlog lives in Figma and Mixpanel more than in hardware spec sheets. If your org runs heavyweight agile across portfolios, the PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI-ACP, carries clout. It blends Scrum, Kanban, XP, and Lean under one umbrella and demands 21 hours of agile study plus 500 hours on agile projects. Nice proof that you can scale process, not just talk theory. For teams obsessed with innovation funnels, the PDMA New Product Development Professional, NPDP certification dives deep into portfolio governance, stage gate rigor, and voice of customer methods. Certs stamp credibility, but learning can't stop once the badge arrives. Now we'll talk about the informal loops that keep perspectives fresh. Conferences like Mind the Product turn Slack debates into hallway epiphanies. You'll hear case studies straight from Airbnb or Spotify PMs and return home with annotated slides to reboot roadmaps. Online, our product management on Reddit or Product School's weekly webinars let you sanity check challenges in real time. Post a question at 9 a.m., crowdsource 10 battle-tested answers by lunch. Books remain timeless mentors. Marty Kagan's Inspired will still slap scope creep out of your hand in 2030. Eric Ries's The Lean Startup makes you test hypotheses before you can finish your latte. Pair them with Teresa Torres's Continuous Discovery Habits when you're ready to run weekly user interview cadences, and April Dunford's Obviously Awesome when positioning fog rolls in. Now we'll talk about forming your personal learning backlog. Treat it like any product initiative. Articulate a goal. Become fluent in growth experimentation by Q4. Pick a leading metric, 1 experiment shipped per sprint, and choose a learning task that unlocks it. Reforge Growth Series, a cohort-based course run by ex-Facebook and Uber leads. Review progress in your monthly self-retro. If a course feels fluffy, pivot to peer coaching or a side project instead. Remember, certifications and books are multipliers when paired with reflection and application. After passing CSPO, volunteer to facilitate the next sprint retro. After reading Inspired, rewrite one user story using Kagan's Value, Viable, Usable, Feasible lens. Each feedback loop inches you from competent executor to strategic product thinker. So the next time someone asks, "What's your learning plan?" you'll answer with the same clarity you bring to roadmap reviews. The badge you're chasing, the book you're devouring, the experiment you're shipping, and the North Star metric that will prove you've leveled up.